Ooh, no, that's nice. No, that's nicer. That's nicer. That's the best. That's the best. No doubting it. And that's normal. Yeah, normal, but okay. No, I don't like that. That is the prototype. I hate that guy. I wish I was never your idea in the first place. What is this? A puzzle. My hands. My hands. That's what I'm supposed to do with the puzzle. Just throw the hand on that whatever thing. Hand scanner, I think I should call it. And okay, it's open. Yay! Okay, anyways, let's go inside. Interesting. Who is this? Buggy Wuggy. Interesting name. I hope bro's not alive. Anyway, let me go here. Am I supposed to ride this train? I suppose. But it needs power. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Okay, let's ride this train. Oh, this is going to be fun. Why did the train crash?